How to remove multiple items from a list in just one statement. In Python, I know how to remove items from a list. The above code removes the values 5 and item from item_list. But when there is a lot of stuff to remove, I have to write many lines of. If I know the index of what I am removing, I use where x is the index of the item I want to remove. If I know the index of all of the numbers that I want to remove, I'll use some sort of loop to tell the items at the indices. But what if I don't know the indices of the items I want to remove? I tried item_list.remove item, foo, but I got an error saying that remove only takes one argument. Is there a way to remove multiple items from a list in a single statement? PS, I've used del and remove. Can someone explain the difference between these two, or are they the same?
In Python, creating a new object e.g. with a list comprehension is often better than modifying an existing one, which is equivalent to in case of a big list of filtered out values, here, item 5 is a small set of elements. Using a set is faster as the in operation is O(1) time complexity on average. It's also a good idea to build the iterable you're removing first, so that you're not creating it on every iteration of the list comprehension. A Bloom filter is also a good solution if memory is not cheap.
You can do it in one line by converting your list to sets and using set.difference. Would give you the following output. Note, this will remove duplicates in your input list and the elements in the output can be in any order, because sets don't preserve order. It also requires all elements in both of your lists to be hashable.
I'm reposting my answer from here because I saw it also fits in here. It allows removing multiple values or removing only duplicates of these values, and returns either a new list or modifies the given list in place. Docstring extension. You should be clear about what you really want to do, modify an existing list, or make a new list with the specific items missing. It's important to make that distinction in case you have a second reference pointing to the existing list. If you have, for example, this may or may not be the behavior you want.
You can use filterFalse function from itertools module. Example. Output.
If you want to support the channel,